Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag 2 Crafters 1 Design, hosted by Melissa at Mo Creations, Gloria at Girliest Cards, and Lisa from You See Why I'm a Diva. This week the challenge is to use a rainbow. I wanted to make a card for Lori who lost her kitty cat Petey Pie, and so I wanted to send a over the rainbow bridge card for Lori. Lori, I'm so sorry to hear about your kitty cat. My heart just goes out to you. It's a sad situation. I hope that you're doing well. Let me show you the supplies that I used for this project. I used this rainbow die cut that I picked up on a Hobby Lobby clearance, and to make the clouds I used this big Martha Stewart cloud punch. All the papers that I used are papers from my scraps, and here's the rainbow. And I decided to leave the front plain, and I didn't write on the inside yet because that's going to be more personal, but I'll show you what I did put. I have this sentiment that says, "I'm sorry for the loss of your animal friend." And then I have a silhouette of a kitty cat. The sentiment stamp is from this old set from Kay Andrews, Sympathetic Sayings. The mini envelope here is from My Creative Time. And I did stamp little kitty whiskers on the envelope. And I used this Sizzix. This is the Sizzix 9 Lives kitty cat set, and there's the little whiskers right there. I am sending her some silhouettes of some kitty cats that I cut out of my Cricut in case she's going to be doing a journal page for Petey Pie. I used these two kitties, and this is from the Cricut cartridge A Child's Ear. I'm also sending her some dewdrops in some pastel colors. I know that's her favorite, to help cheer her up. That is my entry for 2 Crafters 1 Design, and for my Thinking of You card for Lori. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye guys.